Okay, today I'm going to create this kind of the part, which is an electrical plug, and I'm going to doing to the workflow, which is I'm going to reverse engineer this part. So first of all, I will creating the sketch using just the freehand sketch, which is this one is a B type pencil. Okay, so I'm going to create the shape, which is this one is from the top view, and then this one is from the side view, and this one from the front view. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create the line here. This one is represent the basic shape of the box. Okay, and then I'm adding the center line right in the middle. So this one is actually this position here. Okay, and then at the very end is at the edge here. Okay, so in the rest here, so I will draw first. I will draw the cable. Okay, this one is a cable. Okay, and then I will give a dot for roughly to give the section here, and then probably this one section, and then here section. Okay, so from this section I'm going to create the dot to represent the edge. Okay, from here, probably here, and then right from here, and then the last one is here. Okay, so when I connect the dot like so here, okay, then here, then like so. Okay, yeah. Okay, so roughly we already got the shape from the top view, and then we just add additional this metal here. Okay, and then probably I will create the metal, yeah, like so. Okay, I will extend the sketch, the center line. Okay, so right now I'm going to continue to this type, okay, of the upper part. Okay, so probably I will use this one as a guidance, and then because this one have a two, okay, this one have a two shape here, so I will give the two kind of the line here, okay, to represent it, and then here is the radius, and then go right over there, and go right over there. Okay, so roughly I will add the embossing feature here. Okay, embossing feature, and as well as the grooving in here. Okay, so there's a grooving. Okay, I think from the top view is enough the information, so I will continue to the side view. So for the side view, I need to project the basic shape. Okay, like so, like this one here. Okay, so this is the basic shape. Yeah, probably I will keep the center point here. So this one basically is the the diameter here, it should be almost the same. Okay, go through here. So I will connect the sketches here, the projected line. Okay, like so. So this is the center line. So go through here, and then they will have a slightly taper, like so. Okay, and then go through straight. And for the top of it, okay, so this one basically just a line like this. Okay, yeah, and then we continue with the grooving. Here there is a groove, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's a groove here, 3, and this one as well. Okay, then continue to the metal part here. Okay, so this one is a metal part, and then as well as here is the metal part. Okay, so this metal part connected to the projected from the top. Okay, then I will create the circle to represent the circle. Okay, I think just add the cable line, and I will continue to the front view. So the front view basically just extend it from this box here, and I will also extend it here. Okay, the extension. Okay, and then this one I also extended the line. Okay, and then I will create the center line here, and basically the center line should be connected 45 degrees if you have the projecting line. So this one, so 45 degrees, and then I can project this yeah, roughly, if I do so if I use the compass here like so, it probably have the more accurate, but this one is just a sketch. So okay, like so, wait, like so, and then probably this line here, yeah, okay, like so. So this one is projected here, and then we'll meet with the shape here. Okay, and then there is a line. Okay, like so. Okay, and then as well as the center point, and we just create a circle here. Okay, and also for the rectangle 1 and 2 for the rectangle. Okay, so I think the basic shape is done. I will make a more bold on this, more thickness on this outer shape, so we can distinguish between the line weight, which is the baseline, okay, and where is the center line. Okay, so I will do the using the bold line. So the tips is when you draw, we using this some kind of the piece of paper, so you just can conveniently rotate your paper like so, so they will give you more convenient and more precise when you draw something or doing the sketch. Okay, So don't be afraid to explore your conveniently position of your paper. Okay, like so. So this one probably, yeah, this one should be have a line. Okay, this one also have the line over there. Okay, I will continue to create a more bold to better distinguish between the construction line and within the center line. Okay, so we can easily distinguish it. Okay, like so. Okay, like so. Okay, and then this one is as a baseline, and this one is the metal part of this electric plug. Okay, so this one also have. Okay, okay, and then this one is just the emboss, so probably I will just use the more wider line. Okay, okay, so when I'm going to create the dimension here, so probably because this one is too small, so probably I need to create a detail view for this particular position. Okay, particular part. So I will create the bigger scale like so. Okay, to represent the grooving. Okay, to represent the grooving. Okay, so this one basically like so. This is the cable go through outside. Okay, and then there is a grooving here. Okay, okay, yeah, I think the basic shape is already done. Okay, so more or less will be have a good shape.